Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best flush valve is probably one of the most overlooked components in your bathroom, but a faulty one can lead to a cascade of problems, from annoying leaks to a complete lack of flushing power. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flush valves, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect replacement to keep your toilet running smoothly and efficiently. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400H002 Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. Introducing the Fluidmaster 400H002 Performax Fill Valve. This is the quietest and most powerful toilet fill valve available. It's designed to solve your toilet's issues effectively. Don't worry about complicated setups. This valve comes with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. You can quickly get it installed and working properly. The Fluidmaster 400H002 is designed for a universal fit. It works with most toilet models and brands, making it a versatile choice for your bathroom. With the tank and bowl water level adjustment dials, you can customize the perfect flush. It helps you save water while ensuring optimal performance. The easy twist height adjustment allows it to fit a wide range of tanks. It adjusts from 9 inches to 14 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your toilet. What we like. This fill valve is designed to be both quiet and powerful, ensuring a smooth and efficient flush every time. Installation is a breeze, with clear, step-by-step instructions included. If you're looking for a fill valve that offers a perfect balance of performance and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. It works perfectly, fills quietly, and no leaks so far. Very easy to install. Crystal clear instructions. And very quiet with a quick refill. The adjustable settings make it versatile for different tank sizes, and it's been reliable in most cases. Number 4. Korky QuietFILL Platinum 528MP Toilet Fill Valve. Tired of a noisy or inefficient toilet? This universal fill valve is designed to replace old ballcocks and worn-down valves. It's easy to install and will keep your toilet running smoothly. Installation is a breeze with the twist lock adjustment. This valve is adjustable from 7.75 to 13.5 inches, making it a perfect fit for many toilets. You can get it installed in under 5 minutes. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It comes with the fill valve, refill tube, metal refill tube clip, mounting nut, cone washer, refill adjuster, coupling nut, tamper-proof key, and instructions. Korky products are known for their high quality and universal fit. They are designed to work with both older and modern toilet models. The parts are made from long-lasting Chlorazone red rubber. Korky is committed to designing toilet repair parts that fit the majority of toilets. This product is designed and manufactured in Wisconsin. Choose Korky for reliable toilet repair solutions. What we like. This fill valve is designed for universal compatibility, fitting a wide range of toilet models. It's incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement that ensures quiet operation, this is a great choice. What people say. The height adjustment feature is incredibly simple to use, and it took me less than 15 minutes to install it myself. What truly sets this valve apart is its quiet operation. Easy to install. Took 5 minutes and works as advertised. Adjustable for different toilet sizes. Number 3. American Standard Champion Universal Replacement Flush Valve. Introducing the American Standard Champion Universal Replacement Flush Valve. This is a universal replacement part designed for the Champion 4 flushing system. It's specifically made for use with any Champion line of 2-piece toilets. This valve ensures optimal performance and a reliable flush every time. This is a direct replacement flush valve. It's designed for easy installation, so you can quickly restore your toilet's functionality. The valve includes a 7-inch tube. This ensures the correct fit and function for your toilet's flushing mechanism. It also comes with a 3/4-inch chain length. This is an American Standard OEM replacement part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. What we like. This flush valve is specifically designed as a direct replacement for the Champion flushing system. It's an OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you have a champion toilet and need a reliable replacement, it's the ideal solution. What people say. This was an exact replacement for the flush valve in my toilet, and works good, powerful flushes. The new unit takes much less effort, and uses less water. It's a direct replacement, no modifications required. Installs exactly as original came out and toilet works flawlessly again. Number 2. Fluidmaster 507 AKP7 Toilet Flush Valve Repair Kit. This kit is designed for quick and easy installation. It replaces any 2-inch flush valve in a 2-piece toilet, making the process simple and straightforward. The Fluidmaster 507 AKP7 is universally compatible. It's designed to fit and replace various 2-inch flush valves, ensuring a proper fit for your toilet. This product helps to conserve water. By replacing your old flush valve, it ensures a proper seal, preventing leaks and conserving water with each flush. The kit effectively stops leaks at the drain. Its design ensures a tight seal, preventing water from continuously leaking into the toilet bowl. This kit provides a complete repair solution. It includes the necessary components, such as the gasket and bolts, to restore your toilet's flushing performance. What we like. This flush valve repair kit is designed for quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. It helps conserve water and effectively stops leaks at the drain. If you're looking to upgrade your toilet's performance and save on your water bill, this is a great option. What people say. The flush valve is easy to install. The product is a perfect fit. The flush valve works great. Number 1. Essential Values Kohler Flush Valve Seal, 6-pack. Tired of a weak flush? This 6-pack of seals is designed to be compatible with Kohler GP1059291. It offers a high-quality replacement at a fraction of the cost. Installation is a breeze. With an outside diameter of 3.38 inches and an inside diameter of 2.75 inches, it's a direct replacement. Full instructions are available to guide you through the process. This seal features an improved lip for easy removal and replacement. This smart design saves you time and money without sacrificing quality. A malfunctioning toilet can be a real headache. This product includes 6 compatible Kohler flush seal gaskets to ensure your toilet functions properly. It protects your toilet for future use. This is a suitable aftermarket replacement part for Kohler toilets with a flush valve seal. The dimensions are based on an outside diameter of 3.38 inches. This product by Essential Values. What we like. This flush valve seal offers easy installation and comes in a multi-pack for great value. The improved design includes a lip for easier removal and replacement. If you like saving money and want a reliable seal for your Kohler toilet, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These seals are usually the first thing to go out in toilets. So far, these are the only thing that went bad in our toilets in over 10 years. It started months ago with a small drain down of the tank and the water kept running. Ordered these and it took all of 10 minutes to replace it. I didn't have to do anything special but turn the water off at the back of the toilet. Seal fit perfectly and works great. Stopped running Kohler canister toilet. A little smaller and thinner, but works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.